Addressing patent challenges in 3D printing intellectual property. The accessibility of 3D printing is revolutionizing traditional manufacturing, turning CAD designs into reality, and enabling flexible, widespread production. Challenges in patent protection. Managing rapid replication and distribution, addressing design modification issues, and navigating jurisdictional challenges in global markets. Legal strategies. Develop comprehensive patent applications, pursue international patents and IP treaties, and conduct regular IP audits. Licensing as a protection tool. Understand the types of licenses, non-exclusive, exclusive, territory-based. Focus on key elements of effective licensing agreements, and ensure monitoring and compliance. Collaborative approaches. Explore the benefits of industry consortia, utilize shared IP databases, and engage in joint advocacy for IP law reform. Engaging with experts. Partner with patent attorneys and industry consultants to gain essential insights and guidance for navigating the patent landscape effectively. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.